What if you could build multiple income streams without quitting your job? Here's how smart people are doing it in 2026. How to build multiple income streams without quitting your full-time job. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, many people believe they must quit their full-time job before starting a business or creating additional income. But that's one of the biggest financial myths. In reality, your full-time job can become the foundation for building future wealth. Your salary pays the bills. Your free time builds your future. Start by identifying a skill you already have. It could be writing, graphic design, programming, teaching, video editing, digital marketing, or even using AI tools. Then dedicate just 1 or 2 hours each day after work to developing that skill into an income source. You can freelance online, create digital products, start a YouTube channel, write an ebook, or launch a small online business. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on building one additional income stream first. Once it starts generating consistent income, reinvest part of that money into creating a second income source. This is how multiple income streams are built step by step. Remember, success doesn't come from working endlessly. It comes from building systems that continue creating value over time. Also, protect your health and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Burnout helps no one. Consistency is far more powerful than short bursts of intense effort. Your full-time job provides stability. Your side income creates opportunity. Together, they can help you build long-term financial security. So don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect business idea. Start with the skills you already have. Take one small step today, because the goal isn't to escape your job overnight. The goal is to create enough income streams that, one day, work becomes a choice, not a necessity.